Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Hope everyone was doing great. In this video, I'm going to share you 9 simple steps. While you wanna start to learn coding, follow these 9 steps. As a beginner, learning coding is like so excited and so scared, but don't take any stress. Follow these steps. So before going to discuss those 9 steps, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. And first step is choose a programming language. There are multiple programming languages: C++, Java, Python, or JavaScript. See, according to you, what you wanna learn, only select that particular language, stick to that particular language. With that, you learn DSA data structures. You should be stick to the one language, but don't change every time. You have to stick for one language. And the second step is set clear goals. See, for an example, in this particular week, you want to complete this particular topic, and next week, you want to complete this particular topic. Like in the same way, you should keep some goals and you should achieve that goals. And third point is like you can use the online resources to learn this. For example, coming to the website, use a free code camp, W3 schools, or code academy. And coming to the YouTube, there are hundreds of thousands of videos. You can watch any videos if what you are understanding easily, and keep on practicing. Then only you can understand, then you can gain a more knowledge while practicing. And fourth step is practice coding. For this, there are some website like HackerRank, Lead Code. Practice what you learned in these platforms, then it will helpful to you gain more knowledge. And fifth step is join a community. There are some communities like groups like in Stack Overflow and Reddit. Use these and join there to gain more knowledge. And not only this, sit with your friends while learning. This will helpful to you. Among you can give some challenges. Then you can gain more knowledge, and you will get multiple doubts. Then you can get clear from your friends. So this is best thing I recommend. Personally, I learned in this way. The sixth step is a build projects. So after learning a particular language, start building small projects and keep that code in a GitHub. GitHub is a platform where you can store your codes in a repository format. So all the projects what you did, you can store it in a GitHub. That can you can show as like your portfolio or your experience. And the seventh step is you should be consistent. Like every day you should keep this much of time, or every week you should keep some amount of time. At that time you have to practice coding. So consistency is like a key for success. And eighth step is learn to code. This mean like you have to understand how to troubleshoot and how to debug the code. Not only writing the code, you have to understand these two also. For this, you can take help from a Google and a Stack Overflow for your doubts. Ninth step, the last step is take online courses, like some platforms like Coursera, Udemy, EDX. Here you can get a sample projects and then certificate to you. You can practice those projects. It will be helpful to you. So practice in online and learn in online. I think I covered all the 9 points. So here coming to the end of the video, I had covered all the 9 points. Hope you got and hope you understand what I said, or else watch this video again. You can understand it clearly. And that's it for today's video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.